Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Saturday of my summer. Is he happy? Does he seem happy about it? Really? That's... Oh, poor Scooby. Scooby said, "Why is everybody combing my hair all the freaking time?" It is now 8:30. I have work in half an hour, but I told myself today that I'm gonna dress up and do some makeup because I haven't done it in like a month or so. And I very much want to know how I look like with makeup. I don't usually put foundation on because my skin is very sensitive. So instead I just put some moisturizer. This one is from grwm, and I use it because it's for sensitive skin and it doesn't like wreck my face or anything. Today I kind of want to put some brows. I don't have a lot of brows. As you can see, I am Asian. My parents don't really have brows. I am struggling because I don't want to tattoo them like most of Asians do. Once the other brow in the home do it's the same thing. I can't tell. It's always very nerve-wracking. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. Some is sparkly because I can't use the watercolor one, so I have to kind of use this type of like pencil situation. And the only thing I was able to get last time was like a little sparkly. So I'm gonna roll with it. Usually I just want to make my eyes look a little bigger, so here we go. That's how we're rolling today. Some mascara. So, this is my favorite lip color, by the way. I do not have another lip color. And I would like it enough to make some brows and add a little stick. That I haven't used in a very long time. And that's sort of the look. I have absolutely like no other idea how I could do other looks, so this is what you get. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Okay, time to work. I never formally introduced myself on this channel, but I'm a rising sophomore at Rhodes College in Memphis, Tennessee, planning to major in environmental sciences. This summer, I am working on the college-instructed and sponsored Animal Behavior and Conservation Fellowship. Every week, I collect 11 hours of live elephant behavior data from the Memphis Zoo across the street from my campus and spend some time either reading scientific articles, learning R, or entering and analyzing the collected data. Some days I'm just like, I absolutely do not want to do this, but then some other days it's a pretty good distraction to what's going on these days, I must say, because I love politics. However, I have decided to not, spend my life on it because it gives me headaches and sadness and anxiety and anger as of these days. And so I feel like by making a switch to environmental science, I get to still do something I love, which is, sustainability and nature related, but also at the same time, getting to learn a little bit more about the world that we're living in. Now I am waiting for my friend to pick me up. Actually, his birthday today, and he's giving me a driving lesson. I'm trying. We had one last week, and it was actually pretty okay. And so I'm very excited to kind of just, getting to the practice again today. I told him yesterday I kind of want to go to the farmer's market. So we'll see if that happens because it only opens until like 1 p.m. And I have absolutely no idea when he's coming. This is my outfit of the day. Dress is thrifted from a Goodwill a couple of weeks ago, and shoes are from Nasty Gal. They're really cute. They were a little bit, so I kind of had to DIY a new hole so that I could fit my shoes. They are chunky and I like it. Got a little grocery haul going on. I just went shopping. We went to the farmer's market and I got myself some cookies from scratch, more like shortbread. They're very crunchy, very buttery. I'm just so glad I got some freshly baked goods, because usually I bake cakes and stuff, but not shortbread per se. So this is a good purchase. Reminds me of all these like Danisa, like the Danish cookie in the tin can. I got some bok choy too. Pretty sure the farmers are Vietnamese, because I know that there's like a big Vietnamese community in Memphis. So I'm very excited. Usually you can't really find bok choy unless you're Asian. And then I got some stuff from Kroger. Not a lot this week actually. I'm just trying to make some salad. So I got tomatoes and I got a cucumber. So I think we're gonna make some tabbouleh without the couscous. Yeah, I'm really trying to go for like a Middle Eastern vibe this week. So we got some dates because I'm trying to snack a little bit more healthy. So instead of getting ice cream as per usual, I'm getting dates. Hopefully they're good. And then because I got bok choy, I was like, I need tofu with it. Because I'm running out of tofu. So that'll be good. And then because I have so much rice, so I'm like, maybe if I make some, red beans, it'll be good too. So this week theme is kind of mostly Middle Eastern, but also Asian / Cajun. Yeah, Cajun, that's what it is. Trying to make my friends from Louisiana proud. I'm a little hungry, but I don't know what I want to eat, so I'm just gonna eat a little date and see how I feel about it. So I haven't had date in so long. This looks tasty. Anyway, I was taking my second driving lesson today. It's pretty good, I would say. I don't know. I feel like I'm a natural at driving, but then also, what do I know? I am 20. I am old enough to drive. But I was like pretty nervous. Oh my god, there's a lime here too for the salad. I was pretty nervous all around because I think I don't have a really great history when it comes to driving. Because I had an electric scooter before, and I've hit like a taxi and another scooter. Not my proudest moment, honestly. And I thought I never had to drive ever again, and I didn't want to. But then Memphis is a driving city, as you may know. And also, I feel like my job in the future would require me to drive anyways, because a lot of the environmental stuff is usually taking place in the field, in the farm, in the middle of nowhere. So you kind of have to drive yourself there. So it's usually like a job prerequisite. I know it's a prerequisite for a lot of internship that I've been looking at. I'm kind of on a spending spree these days just because it's fun, kind of relaxing. So there'll be more hauls coming up, usually just small hauls, because I am not crazy enough to buy $200 worth of Princess Polly or anything. I saw another haul that was like 20 different bathing suits, and I'm like, do you wear a bathing suit every day? Because that's definitely not what I would do.
everybody, by the way, register to vote, vote, vote. Y'all should vote, okay? Register and change the course of this country. It's messed up. Did anybody tell you that? That whatever is going on right now is messed up? I understand that most of the candidates are just simply not the most ideal right now. Might be a little bit too conservative for your taste, maybe. A little too conservative for my taste, definitely. But you know, any help would be appreciated. Any change would be helpful. Sorry for the political rant. I've been trying to show y'all this drawing thing I did like 2 nights ago. I was playing D&D with my friends or waiting for them to get ready. I drew a bunch of like New York cartoon styled white collared workers. Maybe you can see it. Oh, I can't remember. I think this is George. This is Rob. This is Paul. And this one is, I don't know, a white name. Let's just put it that way. Maybe Luke. Maybe Thomas. It's all the same thing.
That's a wrap. What a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week.